October 31st. This is my last day vlogging. I vlogged all month. Yeah, I'm bragging again. I vlogged all month long. So today I'm gonna be spending time with my Grammy, my grandma, and I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in a good little bit, but she wanted some photos. And I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys, but I am a photographer. It is a hobby. I know. It is a hobby of mine. People pay me to take their pictures. But anyway, I'm taking some pictures for my Grammy, for my grandma today, so you guys get a chance to meet her. So right now I'm picking up my mom. We're gonna go drive out there together. It's about a 1 hour, a little less than an hour drive, maybe 45 to 50-minute drive to my grandmother's. Let's go. I want you guys to meet my grandma.
It's real toasty in here. Real toasty. Get some butter and spread. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right.
Okay, turn around.
I'm trying to get her to laugh. How you want to tell them?
Good. All right.
Angel.
Derek, say hi to the people on my vlog. Say hi to my subscribers. Like, let them see your face. Lean over. Hey everybody, this is my brother, Derek, my younger brother. Well, I only have younger brothers. My youngest of my 2 younger brothers. Well, we have had a full day. I went and had a photo shoot, or did a photo shoot for my grandmother. We stopped and got something to eat. I went and picked up some supplies for photography. We went to the store. Now we're headed home. So it was a good day today. Mom, you want to be on camera?
No, ma'am.
All right, I am home and I am tired. It has been a long day, but really quick, I've been craving guacamole. So I made this guacamole in a previous video. I'm gonna put the link right here for you guys to see, but I'm gonna make me some guacamole tonight so that by tomorrow when I get ready to eat it, it is nice. The flavors have married together, and then I'm gonna get me some a la madre tortillas. I'm gonna get them all crisp up, and then I'm gonna have myself a nice little snack. So I'm gonna show you guys again, really quickly, how I make it. But if you want the detailed recipe video, click on the link in the description box or the link that I put above a few moments ago. All right, I'm gonna do this really quick so that I can lay down. All right, I'm gonna add a dash of cayenne pepper. We're going to add pepper. We're going to add salt. All right, now let's give this entire thing a mash. All right, guys, I've got my guacamole here, and I'm gonna give it a try. I got my a la madre tortillas that I've just fried up, ready to go tomorrow. Let's give it a taste. I don't know if it's just because I've been craving guacamole, but this is the best guacamole I have ever made. It is creamy. The seasonings are just right. The salt, the cayenne pepper, the garlic, the onion. All right. It's good like this. So tomorrow is going to be even better. I'm gonna sit this in the fridge. And this is gonna be my little snack for tomorrow. If I can sit it in the fridge. All right, everybody, that concludes my first ever Vlogtober. This month was so fun and exciting. I learned so many things about YouTube, about vlogging, and it was really, really fun. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me, and I plan on doing it again. I may be doing it the entire month of December as well. Also, I want to remind you guys that I am going live tomorrow, which will be today for you guys. I'm going live today at 3 p.m. I would love for you guys to join me today, November the 1st at 3 p.m. Central Time. I would love for you guys to join me. I'm just doing a little question and answer and would love to just talk with you guys. All of you who have subscribed to my channel, I want to meet you. I want to know you and just give my gratitude and my thanks to you guys for supporting my channel and for coming along this ride with me. This has been fun. Guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Well, hopefully I'll talk to you at 3 p.m. today. Hopefully I'll talk to you today on my live. And yeah, you guys have a blessed and a